Imagine a colossal rock, a cosmic wanderer, drifting through the inky blackness of space. This isn't just any space rock, it's a behemoth, bigger than Mount Everest, the tallest peak on our planet. A truly staggering size, dwarfing even our most impressive natural landmarks. And it's not just floating aimlessly, it's hurtling, accelerating on a collision course towards Earth. A terrifying prospect, a cosmic bullet aimed directly at our home. 66 million years ago, in a world teeming with life but vastly different from our own, its journey, a voyage across the vast expanse of space and time, ended abruptly. It ended not with a whimper, but with a bang, in a cataclysmic collision of unimaginable force. An event so profound, so devastating, that it rewrote the story of life on Earth, forever altering its course. This single event, a cosmic game-changer, abruptly ended the dinosaurs' long and prosperous reign, the dominant species for over 150 million years. And in doing so, it inadvertently opened the door, creating a vacuum in the ecological landscape, for new life to emerge, to diversify, and to ultimately reshape the planet. Today, we're diving into the science, the mystery, and the sheer scale of this event, exploring 10 startling facts, revealing the hidden details and the lasting impact of about the asteroid, the celestial body, that changed everything, transforming our world in ways we are still discovering. Imagine an object hurtling through the vast expanse of space, a cosmic wanderer on a collision course with destiny. The asteroid was a mountain of stone, a jagged, unforgiving mass forged in the crucible of the early solar system. And iron, a dense core of metallic elements, a testament to the violent processes that shaped its being. This celestial behemoth was not some mere pebble, it was at least 10 kilometers across. Think Manhattan, but instead of skyscrapers and bustling streets, imagine a solid, unyielding rock. Now, picture this Manhattan-sized rock hurtling through space, not drifting lazily, but flying at an unimaginable 45,000 miles per hour, a speed that defies comprehension, a velocity that spells devastation. It was too vast, its sheer size dwarfing anything humanity had ever witnessed, and too fast, its velocity exceeding the limits of our understanding, a truly unstoppable force. For Earth's atmosphere, even with all its protective layers, to offer any meaningful resistance. The atmosphere, our shield, was powerless to slow it down. For life below, teeming with existence, unaware of the impending doom, there was no warning, no siren, no flashing light, just a force of nature, raw and untamed, about to unleash its fury. An asteroid impact of unprecedented scale, a cataclysm unlike anything before. The impact unleashed energy equal to billions of Hiroshima bombs. Everything at ground zero, asteroid, seawater, and miles of crust, vaporized in an instant. The shockwave flattened landscapes for hundreds of miles, marking the most violent event in 500 million years. The impact left a hidden scar. The Chicxulub crater in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, over 110 miles wide. Its vastness is only visible from space, a testament to the violence of its creation. This buried crater is the tombstone of a lost world. The initial impact was just the beginning. The force of the collision sent shockwaves rippling outwards, but the true devastation was yet to come. Molten rock and debris, ejected from the impact site, were propelled into the upper atmosphere, even into space itself. This incandescent material spread around the globe, a fiery halo of destruction encircling the planet. Eventually, gravity took hold, and the superheated debris began raining down as fiery glass beads, tiny molten spheres created by the intense heat of the impact. These beads blanketed the Earth. The sky itself ignited, superheated by the constant bombardment of fiery particles. This intense heat sparked wildfires, igniting forests and grasslands. These fires quickly spread across continents, fueled by dry vegetation and strong winds, creating a global firestorm. The evidence of this catastrophic event is preserved in a thin layer of soot, a dark band visible in rocks worldwide, a permanent record of the devastation. This layer marks this global inferno, a testament to the power of nature's destructive forces. For survivors, if there were any, the firestorm was nearly inescapable, a living hell consuming everything in its path. The asteroid struck a shallow sea, triggering tsunamis over a mile high. These waves raced across oceans, reshaping coastlines and leaving marine fossils far inland. The oceans themselves joined the destruction. Soot and debris blocked sunlight, plunging Earth into months of darkness. Photosynthesis stopped, plants and plankton died, ecosystems collapsed from the bottom up. It was a long, cold, and starving night for life. With sunlight blocked, global temperatures plummeted by up to 15 degrees Celsius. The world froze almost overnight, devastating cold-blooded dinosaurs and killing off vegetation. This sudden winter was the final blow for many species. The combined disasters wiped out about 75% of all species. Dinosaurs, pterosaurs, marine reptiles, and countless others vanished. Large animals suffered most, unable to adapt to the rapid changes. The tree of life was violently pruned. Amidst the destruction, small mammals survived. Burrowers, omnivores, adaptable creatures. With dinosaurs gone, mammals seized the opportunity to diversify and thrive. They emerged into a world of empty niches. This was the dawn of the age of mammals. This catastrophe paved the way for us. Without the asteroid, mammals, and eventually humans, might never have risen. Our very existence is a direct legacy of that ancient impact. The Chicxulub asteroid ended one era and began another. It's a humbling reminder of life's fragility and resilience. The dinosaurs' end was our beginning. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science.